Well, my people, I'm stepping out outside right now. See how the storm is. Let's take a look at it, you know what I'm saying? They're saying it's supposed to be snowing a lot, so I'm scared. And I just woke up. My ass is tired, so let's see how it is out there. Let's take a look at this bullshit. Let's go and see. Alright, I'm gonna just flip this shit the other way. I don't know how the fuck to do that. Guess I can't do it. Fuck it. Hey, it's beautiful out here. It's not so bad. I guess everything is on. See it, right? It's not so bad. Fuck. Supermarket's open. That's me, I'm getting me breakfast. That's what it means. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at this. All around me. Snow, snow, snow. To wake up to this, it's pretty cool. I like it. And when people stay warm, everybody in the south, y'all all chilling down there, so fuck it, it is what it is. Say hi to the trucks. It's not so bad. I mean, it's coming down slowly though. Well, you know, it is what it is. Police behind me. I ain't scared of no cop. Fuck y'all niggas. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. Alright, I'm gonna let you go. Peace.